Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to have some fun and learn a square hijab tutorial in a light-hearted, humorous way. So, let's jump right in. We'll start by taking a regular square hijab, folding it in half, and then placing it on your head like so. Next, bring the corners down to cover the hair at the back of your head. Now, bring both corners up to the front and tuck them under the hijab at the back of your head. Make sure they're securely tucked in place. Now that we have our two front corners down, let's bring one corner from each side up to form a triangle on each side of your face. When they're in place, tuck them underneath the hijab at the back of your head. And there you have it! You now know how to wear a square hijab like a pro. Thank you so much for joining me today in this fun and informative tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this one. Until next time, stay safe and take care.